Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide slide in Google Slides. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to hide slides, maybe you want to hide a particular slide from your presentation. You don't want a particular slide to show in your presentation. Here is how you can hide it. So this is my slide right here. So I want to hide a particular slide from this presentation. So I'm just going to, for example, I want to hide this particular slide. So I'll just right click on it, then I'll tap on I'll tap on skip slide. So this high icon here actually means that this particular slide here has been skipped from the entire presentation. So I can just easily come back here I can just tap on this slideshow. Then by the time we watch around, you notice that this particular slide is not there, and that's it. I can see this particular one is not there. So that is how to hide slide in Google Slide. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.